Hello, in front of me I've got Tesla Model Y. In this video I'll show you how to install hook to the rear bumper. Firstly, let's take a look at the rear bumper. Now we have to take out this cover. Next, let's take out this cover, and as you can see right here we've got this hole. Let's prepare your hook. Firstly, insert the key right here and unlock it. Then push the hook into the hole. As you can see right now, the hook is locked. Now twist the key to lock the hook so it can't be removed. And if you want to take it out, insert the key, unlock it, pull this switch, twist it forward, and now you can take out the hook. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.